You want to know how to make simple prawn curry?
Let's find out.
Hey, that's my line!
For the dough, take equal quantities of wholemeal and plain flours into a bowl. Add water a little at a time.
Mix with your hands until the dough is formed.
Set aside to rest. For the dip, take the stalks of coriander, mint and spinach.
Chop or mince them finely.
Add a pinch of garam masala, sugar, salt and the chopped herbs into Greek yoghurt.
Give it a good stir.
To make the rotis, take the dough that's been rested.
Shape into smooth balls.
Roll using a rolling pin, trying to keeping it round, even and flat. Place the rotis onto a hot tava.
Add the adult throughout.
Once the roti is dark on one side, flip the roti over in the pan. Quickly flip that roti directly onto the flame to finish.
For the prawn curry, add oil into a hot pan.
Add the curry masala spice mix,
Add a splash of water.
which will stop the spices from burning and creating a little bit of sauce in the pan. Watch for little bubbles of oil appearing around the edge of the pan. That's when you know the spices are fully cooked.
Dip the prawns into the pan.
Stir fry on a high heat until cooked through.
Add a pinch of salt. Finish with cream, lemon juice and chopped coriander.